Class, let's talk about value stream accounting. So conceptual discussion pa rin po tayo dito. This is the second technique or cost technique that supports lean manufacturing. But unlike our activity-based costing, the emphasis or what is being captured by value stream accounting is the cost that are associated to the products, no? Product family or yung ating value stream rather than by department or activity. Kasi if you may recall, in the activity-based accounting or activity-based costing, we have to identify what are the activities, and then later on we have to allocate the cost of the activities to the cost objects. Okay, here we capture the cost by value stream. Okay, for example, as you can see in this figure, we have a value stream for product family A and the value stream for product family B. It's like a flow, okay, a stream wherein we move from one department to another, from sales or functions instead of departments, from sales to product planning to warehousing to manufacturing and to shipping. And of course, for every functions, there are costs incurred there, costs involved. Now, an essential aspect in implementing value stream accounting is defining the product family. Instead of individual products, we define what a product family is. You know, in a lot of manufacturing companies, we can categorize products into families. Okay? Ano ba example? Let's say you are into food industry or dairy products. There are a lot of products under the dairy family. Ano ba yan? For example, milk. You have your yogurt, ice cream, cheese. They may be classified into one product family. Therefore, under value stream accounting, we categorize them because these product families, they share common processes. Because parehas lang talaga, halos parehas lang yung proseso nila pero yung produkto na napoproduce ay magkakaiba. So, they share common processes from point of placing the order to shipping the finished goods to the customer. Now, value stream accounting includes all the costs associated with the product family instead of particular individual products. So, per product family po ang ating pagka-capture ng mga cost, pag-associate ng mga cost. Pero, it doesn't make a distinction between what a direct cost is and an indirect cost. As long as they are cost incurred for that product family, they are allocated, they are associated to that value stream. Regardless, without distinction whether or not you are a direct or indirect. So yan naman po ang kaibahan. Now, in terms of raw materials, kasi by the way, remember, ano ba yung ating direct costs? What are your indirect costs? In the cost accounting or in the manufacturing accounting perspective, your direct costs are your raw materials. Direct materials mo kasi yan. What else? Your direct labor. Samantalang, your indirect costs are your manufacturing overhead, production overhead. No? Now, sa value stream accounting, raw materials are calculated based on how much materials has been purchased for the value stream. We are talking here of material purchases instead of what are the actual raw materials that are used in the production, or rather than tracking the input of the raw materials to specific products. Because, going back to the manufacturing accounting, di ba meron tayong schedules dyan? From the raw materials beginning, plus what else? Ano ba yung pina-plus natin sa beginning raw materials? Material purchases. And then you have your raw materials available for available para i-produce, gamitin for production. We deduct it with your raw materials used. Ang matitira is raw materials inventory. Yung raw materials used, yung napupunta sa ating product cost. Pero dito sa value stream, we calculate the raw materials cost based on how much materials has been purchased for that value stream instead of the actual actual raw materials processed. Now, in terms of the labor cost of the employees na nagtatrabaho doon sa value stream, here, we include whether they design, they make, or simply transport the product from cell to cell. So lahat po ng cost that are incurred regardless of the type of the activity, designing, making, okay, simply transporting the product, labor cost po yan. Now, for the overhead, there is only one allocated cost here. And this is the charge per square foot for the value stream production facility. Please notice here, yung aking tawag nito, in underline, charge per square foot for the value stream production. Yun lamang po yung ating ina-allocate. And this allocation would include the cost of rent and building maintenance. Okay? Ano ba kasi ang reason? What is the logic? Bakit ganito? We try to be efficient, no? We are promoting efficiency by encouraging the value stream team members na i-minimize yung space use. Paggamit ng space, no? Okay? Minimize the space used to operate the value stream. General overhead costs incurred outside the value stream are not attached to the product family. So you see here, there are a lot of overhead costs, diba? Of course. Pero dito sa value stream accounting, we are only allocating the cost of the production facility na ginagamit. Charge per square foot. Okay? Because we try to promote efficiency here. And then the other overhead costs are not attached to the product family. So that is the distinction naman ng ating value stream accounting. Sa activity-based, per activity. Okay? Yung ating allocation, no? Based of course on your activity driver para mapunta siya sa cost object. Pero dito, yung allocated, yung overhead mo pa lang, very specific, one lang siya. Tapos meron pa tayong distinction dito sa raw materials and then the labor cost. Okay? So I hope nakatulong po itong discussion natin para mas maintindihan ninyo instead of simply reading the specific topic on your reference material. So I'll see you on the next and last part of our video lecture on chapter 7. I will see you around later. No? Bye-bye.